What is going on, guys? Today we're headed to Supercar Saturday. We're here with Devin and Cody. So this is Cody's absolute first time seeing Sally in person. What do you think, Cody?
It's beautiful. It definitely, the color doesn't give justice on camera.
There we go, all in her glory. But look how dirty that is. That's from the fire blanket. I didn't want to take it off because, you know, I'm not sacrificing safety. Yes? Whipple supercharged.
Bro, this Porsche is so sexy. Look at that.
500. Carbon fiber rims.
Yep.
That's sick. Oh!